welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to assemble a kids kitchen step stool. So I'm gonna show you at the end what it looks like, but pretty much is the step stools that are high. It's usually for kids to help in the kitchen, but I thought that it could also be a good idea since Giselle is not that tall to step on a small stepping stool to wash her hands. I thought that this could be also helpful for that. Alright guys, so let's start this assembly. So before we head on with this video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do it right now before we head on with this video. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're gonna start to assemble and we're gonna definitely use this right here. And if you have not gotten it, go ahead and purchase it down below in my description. This is something that you really need, and it's gonna help you so much to assemble all your furniture the quicker possible. So I highly recommend this, and I will leave the link down below in the description, so go ahead and purchase this. And it comes with these cool tools that you can attach to it, so you have all the things that you need to match to assemble whatever you need to assemble. Once you guys see what this is gonna look like, I will leave it down below in my description, so if you guys are interested in purchasing it, then all you have to do is click on it. And another thing I was gonna talk to you guys about, but I will show you guys at the end of the video, I purchased some new childproof safeties. I'm not gonna say what it is. It's in the kitchen. That's all I'm gonna say, but stay and watch until the end of this video. You will see what it is, and I also highly recommend you guys to buy those because you need them. That's all I'm gonna say, so keep watching this video and you will see at the end what it is. Alright guys, so now let's get started. guys, so my project is finally done. I'm so happy. It was super easy to put it together. Don't leave your child alone on this thing, okay? So also don't forget to put your anti-slip stickers. They come inside, which this is something I really like, because I was like, what if she has socks on? Like, she's gonna slip and hurt herself, but no. And then also under, don't forget to put them too, so that this can't slip. So yeah, I'm super happy and I'm excited to put Giselle inside to see how she likes it. And yeah, by the way, this comes in gray and white, and I'm also gonna show you guys real quick right now what's in the kitchen that I told you guys at the beginning of my video. So here it is. Alright guys, so these are the childproof safety knobs that I got for the stove, and they are super helpful. Super easy. You just pop it like this, you open it, and you can use it and then close it. So that's it with today's video. I will link the stool in my description down below. I will also link the kitchen childproof safety knobs in my description, and I will also leave the drill in the description as well. So I hope you guys liked this video today, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye!